What's up, guys? So yeah, welcome back. So it's competition time, guys. So competition time. So yeah, this is how it's gonna work. So first of all, thank you to everyone for bringing me to 10,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so the competition is gonna be quite simple. So basically, what it's gonna consist of is gonna be a photo shoot and a video shoot, and a VAD Productions tire shine. So the way it's gonna work, it's very simple, like I said. So I'm gonna be listing all the cars, showing all the cars that I've done so far on This Is My Ride. So like I said, it's not just the features or the reviews that's brought the channel to where it is, but this is like the main source of like growth on the channel thus far. Yeah, so the steps always followed. So in order to qualify or to stand a chance of winning this competition, first step is to obviously be subscribed. So you have to subscribe to the channel. Step 2, like this video. Step 3, I'm going to be listing a link for the Instagram page at VAD Productions. So then you have to follow that page. Step 4, you have to go to the comments down below and comment done along with what episode you enjoyed most this far. Yeah, so the episodes are going to be listed on this video with each car and what episode it was, and yeah, so enjoy. good luck to everyone entering. So please follow the steps. The steps are very important to follow. Else you do not qualify if you didn't follow any steps. And yeah, thank you once again for subscribing to Bad Productions. I really appreciate it. And another thing, the competition will be running for 1 month. I know the other one was for a week, so this one will be running for 1 month. So yeah, I really hope you guys into the competition, and yeah, let's see who wins.